If someone tell me that I have lost all my wealth, I have become poor, I will be okay with that because I know how to teach, how to share my knowledge, and how to convert that knowledge into money. So that is not a problem. But what if a man like me, who is a motivational speaker, who is a teacher, who is a counselor, a consultant, such a person is not able to use his throat? In one day, in 24 hours, I speak for approx 10 to 12 hours each day. And this voice is all my wealth because all the knowledge that is in the brain, I am able to share with the world with this voice. What if I lost it? Worst nightmare of my life. This happened to me last night. I was having pain in my throat. There was like some feeling like someone is cutting it from inside. I had fever, 103 temperature. I had body ache. I was feeling like, weak, really weak. And all of this happened in mid of the night. And in the middle of the night, I live alone and I'm alone in the house and I'm feeling like this. What should I do then? I need some magical remedy, some magical treatment which will cure me within 1 hour. Yes, maximum 1 hour. That is the time I gave to the disease. This is the maximum time I can allow you to stay in my body. And I gathered my strength. I got up. I went to kitchen and I made this magical herbal tea which cured my throat, my fever and body ache within 1 hour. Yes, the magical remedy. What is that? Let me share it with you. What you have to do, just take 3 cups of water, boil it, start boiling the water and add these things into the boiling water. Okay, what are the things? Add 5 black pepper, 2 or 3 tulsi or basil leaves. Okay, add some dry ginger, almost a half teaspoon dry ginger. Add 5 black pepper, I have already said. Add a small piece of cinnamon. Okay, you have to crush all of these before putting into it. The tulsi leaves you can break and then put. Rest you have to just crush. Also, you have to add some jaggery in it. Yes, jaggery is good, or if you do not have jaggery, I will tell you the alternate later on. You also have to add 2 munakka in it. Munakka are like kishmish, raisins, but they are the big raisins, brown of color, and they have seeds in it. Okay, so you can call munakka. You can Google it, and in your language you can get to know what you call that in your country. And you add all of these, and then you boil this water. You boil it till only 1 cup of water is left. Only 1 cup is left. Till that time, you keep boiling the water, and when 1 cup of that tea is left, you stir it in the cup. If you have not added jaggery before, okay, then add 1 or 2 teaspoon honey in it. Okay, based on your taste. And afterwards, add half lemon juice. Yes, half lemon, take half of the lemon and add its juice to the tea. Now, mix it well, and then it is warm. Sip, you can drink it. Just sit peacefully. You can, in your mind, in your heart, you can start chanting the Guru mantra. Om Kapidevaya Namaha. Slowly, Om Guruve Namaha. You can chant these mantras, okay? And in your mind only, you have to chant the mantras. And one sip, Just one by one sip you keep drinking, and with 2 or 3 sips you will start feeling the change in your throat, in your body, and after drinking it within 1 hour you will feel quite well. And do this 2 times in the day. Every 10 hours you make the tea and drink it for 1 or 2 days. Stop when you feel completely healthy, your throat is good, everything is perfect. Because I drink it in the night, I feel quite better now. But again, after 3 to 4 hours, because it will be 10 hours from the last time, I will again drink it because still you can feel some harshness in my voice. Okay, it is left. So second dose, it will be completely cured. And in next video, you will see I am just healthy, just normal voice. Okay. Enjoy the remedy whenever you, your child, anyone. To children, give 1/3 of this. Okay. Just 1/3 of this, not one full cup. Okay. So this is the best remedy. You, your family member, your friend, anyone have throat infection or with throat infection, viral fever or body ache is coming, headache is there, then just try this remedy. This is the best and most effective, my personally trusted remedy.